Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Tech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. Gemini Home, the next generation of conversational smart home AI. Google is set to completely transform the way users interact with home technology by replacing the traditional Google Assistant with Gemini Home, an advanced integration of the Gemini conversational AI model across all smart devices, including speakers and smart displays, such as Nest Hubs. This evolution marks a transition from mechanical, predefined commands to a highly intuitive, natural, and conversational interaction model. Leveraging Gemini Live, the system is designed to understand natural language, interpret context, and maintain fluid conversations, making the experience feel like speaking to a person. Key innovations of Gemini Home. Natural contextual conversations. Gemini Home eliminates the need for exact commands. It interprets the user's intent and maintains conversational context, allowing users to interrupt or add follow-up instructions without repeating activation phrases, e.g., "I think I left the bedroom light on," followed by, "and turn off the living room lights too." Simplified voice automation. The system simplifies smart home management. Users can create complex automations and routines using simple, natural voice descriptions, e.g., create an automation to turn on the garden lights at sunset and close the blinds when it gets dark, eliminating the need for complicated app-based programming. AI-enhanced security and proactivity. Integrating with Nest cameras, Gemini Home provides detailed, AI-generated descriptions for alerts, e.g., identifying a brown courier delivering a package, rather than generic motion notifications. Furthermore, the AI learns user habits to proactively anticipate needs. Humanized interaction. The system features 10 new, more human-like voices with natural intonation, breaking the barrier between the user and the technology. Broad compatibility. Gemini Home is designed to work with existing Nest and Google Home devices released since 2015. Gemini Home is positioned as a major evolutionary leap that transforms the relationship between people and their digital environment, turning the smart home into a truly intelligent, co-thinking ecosystem. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.